All right, let's dive into this awesome guide on totally mastering email search. We're going to build this step by step, starting with super basic commands all the way to advanced filtering.
First up, prefix matching. Just typing a partial word instantly grabs everything starting with those exact letters.
Need an exact match? Wrap it in quotes. Otherwise, searching Bob is definitely going to pull up Bobby too.
Ready to level up? Boolean operators let you slice through high-volume search results in literally seconds.
But hey, here's the golden rule. Logical operators like and or absolutely must be in uppercase.
This neat logic gives you total control to instantly include or exclude specific content from your results. You can stack these step by step. Just type a sender's name, add an uppercase operator, then your keyword.
Next up, advanced date filters. You can actually use quoted phrases like received:"last week."
To hunt down emails within a specific range, just drop 2 periods right between your exact dates.
Trying to find a critical file? Type has attachment :yes to instantly banish all those text-only emails.
These awesome commands work across Microsoft platforms, and you'll find really similar logical functions in Gmail too.
Mark notes that when partners finally learn this stuff, they literally always say they wish they knew it sooner. So what are you going to do with all those free hours you save by mastering your inbox today?